Hey my gorgeous friends, let's start today getting warmed up by shaking out through the legs, doing some little hops, doing some little movement. Fired up for our yoga practice today. We're going to do some yoga outside because it's just a nice, cloudy, rainy kind of day. Just shake it out. We're going to start in a mountain pose today. So feet are hips width distance apart and your hands are by your side. Standing tall, we're going to breathe in through the nose and audibly breathe out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Letting out that lion's breath. In and out. Breathing in, we're going to raise the arms overhead, reach up to the sky and look up. Exhale. We're going to come down to forward fold, touch the ground. Inhale, we're going to step or hop back into plank. Push the hips back until you're in downward dog. We're going to do some spinal waves. So waving out through the spine, we're going to start with the shoulders, waving until we're in plank. Starting from the hips, we'll push right back into downward dog. Waving through the spine, as slowly or as fast as you like. Hips first into downward dog and rounding through the shoulders into plank. Try to make it a continuous movement. Warming up through the spine, through the legs, through the arms. Step or hop, we're going to come back to a forward fold. Breathing in, we're going to come through chair and stand all the way up. Exhale back down to chair, engaging through the abs and through the butt. Exhale, we'll come back down into a forward fold, straighten the legs. Exhale, back to chair. Taking a few chairs into forward folds. Breathe in, chair. Straighten back up. Exhale, forward fold. Step or hop to downward dog. And raising one leg. Pointing the toe all the way to the sky. Pressing down through the chest and taking a few little hops through the hip joint. Breathing in and breathing out, we're going to take the knee and tap it to the same side elbow. Breathe out and tap the elbow. Breathe in, point to the sky. Breathe out, tap. Breathe in, point. And tap. And point. Now we're going to hover that knee to the chest, engage through the core, before sending that leg all the way through into a low lunge. Prepare to come up. Breathing in, we will grab our hands and prayer to the hearts. Warrior pose. Swiveling the back leg, I'm going to come into warrior, looking out over my top arm. Standing tall, standing proud. Straighten that front leg and bend. Inhale, straighten. And exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Placing that forearm onto the knee, I'm going to reach up and look to the sky for a side stretch. Exhale, I'm going to come to a reverse warrior by straightening the front leg and grabbing onto the back leg, bending in the opposite direction. And straighten that front leg. Coming back up. Touching the ground and raising the left arm to look up to the sky in a triangle pose. Swirling it back down, we're going to prepare for the other side. straighten that stance. And step or hop back into downward dog. From here we're going to take the other side, raise the left leg. Point the toe to the sky. Exhale, tap knee to elbow. Inhale, point. Exhale, tap. Inhale, point the toe. Exhale, tap the knee. Inhale, point the toe. Inhale, tap. Exhale, point. Last one, we're going to hold and hover. Knee to chest, engage the core. And send that knee right through into a low lunge. A few little bounces in the hip there. Inhale, back into warrior. Hands to heart center. Swiveling the back leg. We'll come into warrior and look out over the top arm. Inhale, straighten the front knee. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Resting the forearm on the left knee and raising the right arm overhead for a side stretch. And swiveling back into a reverse warrior, we'll straighten the front leg and grab the back leg, taking a stretch on the same side. Coming down into a forward fold, real quick. Inhale, straighten up, adjust the stance, and come back to the standing mountain pose. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Take a mini back bend. Exhale, through standing, and hop or step back, take chaturanga, through up dog, and sending the hips back into downward dog. If you're able, you're going to adjust your stance, drop your chest to the ground, and take a salutations, a chest stand, straight-legged, breathing in, exhale, come down, through chaturanga, into up dog, and raise the hips right back into downward dog. Take a breath, taking a few spinal waves, and preparing for headstand. Interlacing the arms, interlacing the fingers, and keeping the arms shoulder width distance apart, you're going to come into your headstand gently, lifting one leg at a time, maintaining your balance. If you like, stay here. Otherwise, we're going to be doing headstand crunches. Bending the knees down to the stomach, as far down as you can while maintaining your balance. And inhale, lift the knees back up. Exhale, crunch. And inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. And with power, jump back into a forearm plank. Back up into plank, and send those hips back into downward dog. Step or hop right back into standing. Forward fold. And we're going to come into a nice squat, releasing that lower back, widening the squat, and pressing the hips away from each other. Hands to heart center. Breathing deeply. Forward fold. Hugging the knees to the chest. Exhale, coming up slowly. Inhale, lift overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center.